Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a video on how to hard reset the Apple iPhone X if your phone is stuck or is not functioning and you have to power off, which can be done on iPhone 8, 8 Plus and iPhone X. Please go with the procedure the way I am doing it. First we would be clicking the volume button up, the volume button low, and keep holding the power button till the time the phone gets restart on its own and comes to the Apple logo. There it goes, it's shut down, and we'll wait for it. Yes, that's how the Apple logo pops up. You'll be leaving the Apple button. And let it start on its own. There we go. Hey guys, if you like my video, please share, like and subscribe. For now, bye bye, adios.